Okay, part 2. So these are my Iron Men, or some of them. Got the Mark 1, which is the second version from Hot Toys in my homemade All of Armour. Mark 2, the first version of it. The Mark 3, the second version of it, which was die cast, which is a bit of a joke really, because none of them are proper die cast, so you only get bits. But it looks smart, very good. The Mark 33 is good. And the Mark 5, the original version of the Mark 5, just all pretty good. And then I've got my Star Wars. Chewie can get in this time rather than being with me tablet. Can see the detail. Han. Well, I think on, if you've not ever seen it, make sure you watch Star Wars Bad Lip Reading. They're so good. Absolutely hilarious. Obi-Wan Kenobi. Amazing outfit. And Luke. Playing with his ball. A lot of people complain about it, but I think it's really smart. And Agent K, which is Agent K from Enter Bay. Deadpool. Falconer. Hot Toys. And Tracker Hot Toys. And Berserker Hot Toys. And Agent J, Enter Bay. And Frank. We have the head from the DX12, I think it is, Batman. Anyway, you'll see the DX in a minute, but this is him. And Armory, which is Toy Legend Armory. It lights up, but I haven't got batteries in at the moment. And the DX, whatever it is, I think it might be 12, can't remember. Hopefully it's not being bleached out too much with the LEDs. I think this was the first DX I ever got. And then I have the Hulk, who I think is bleached out, because he's right next to him. Captain America. Black Widow. Hawkeye, Spider-Man, Thor, and Iron Man. In fact, this is from the Amazing Spider-Man. Only got in today. Got a bargain. So quite pleased with that. And Thor, this is the original Thor. I like this one because you get the helmet with it. I think that's looked pretty smart. I'm going to do these in little sections, so this is my part 2, and I'll see you shortly for part 3.